Open a window and run ventilation immediately to keep bathroom odors minimal while you unclog a drain. Start by removing standing water with a cup or bucket so you can see and access the clog. Then put on gloves and a mask to reduce exposure to fumes. If you use a plunger, create a tight seal over the drain and plunge with steady force for 30 to 60 seconds, and flush with hot water to move loosened material. For hair or debris near the surface, use a drain snake by feeding it gently until you feel resistance. Twist and pull slowly to extract material. Then run hot water to clear residue. When using chemical cleaners, choose enzyme-based products for organic clogs and follow label directions exactly. Ventilate the room during and after use, and neutralize with plenty of water to reduce lingering odors. After the clog is cleared, scrub the drain opening and surrounding surfaces with a bleach solution of 1 part bleach to 10 parts water or a household disinfectant. Rinse thoroughly and dry to prevent bacterial growth that causes smells. Maintain the trap by running water and adding a half cup of white vinegar every week to break down buildup and keep odors from returning. The most common mistakes are using too much force with a plunger, which can damage seals or push debris deeper, so use controlled pressure and stop if you feel shifting. Another issue is over-reliance on harsh chemical cleaners, which can corrode pipes and create stronger fumes, so prefer mechanical removal or enzyme cleaners and always ventilate. Finally, people often neglect the surrounding surfaces and trap, which allows bacteria to persist, so disinfect the area and pour water into. Seldom use drains to refill the trap and block sewer gases. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide a space to compare approaches for problems like persistent bathroom odors. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, timelines, and realistic expectations so we can all learn from one another.